Friends, we gather here today to share with Johan and Jack a very special moment. In the time they've been together, their love and understanding to each other has grown and matured. And now, they have decided to live their lives as husband and wife.
Ito ang araw na inantay mo ng kay tagal. Buhat nung
I am really excited. You know, this is a special day. Our wedding was postponed twice, so this is the third time during the pandemic. Of course, we have a little bit of a cloudy, rainy day, but nevertheless, everything is cooler. I'm excited. Yeah, it's a good day.
Sa milyon-milyon na tao dito sa mundo ay may nag-iisang nakalaang para sa'yo. Siya rin ang dahilan, ba't mga
Jacqueline Morales, do you take Johannes Rodsman to be your lawfully wedded husband, to share your life openly, standing with him in sickness and in health, in joy and in sorrow, in hardship and in ease, to cherish and to love forevermore?
dahan-dahan kang naglalakad patungo sa'kin sa saliw nitong tugtugin.
I do.
Tantananan, tantananan, ikaw nga ang babaeng aking papakasalan. Tantananan, tantananan, aking makakasama sa magpakailanman. Ang pag-ibig na hinanap ko ng kay tagal.
And here we are. Today's 25th of June, 2021. So thank you for being here today. That in itself is great. And I hope you have a great day, because I'm going to have a great day. So thank you for sharing this with me.
Di mailalarawan ng kahit anong salita. Wala ngang sino man ang pabantay sa iyong ganda. Napapailing na lang, ba't mo ako nagustuhan? Piniling makasama o ang swerte ko naman. Kaya pangako ko mula sa araw na ito, sa bawat pag-idlipat, sa bawat gising mo.
So Daddy, thank you. And now it's finally time for 8 years you've been waiting for. So soon I'll become your wife. Wow, para nakatawa, hindi ako sanay ng I'm your wife soon. But anyway, soon mag-iisang dibdib na tayo, and ito na yun finally. And I can't wait na ikasal ulit din tayo sa Charles. But see you later. See you later, and I love you, and enjoy!
Tantananan, tantananan, ikaw nga ang babaeng aking papakasalan. Tantananan, tantananan, aking makakasama sa magpakailanman. Ang pag-ibig na hinanap ko ng kay tagal. Nahanap din kita, nahanap din kita.